All-in-one ergonomic combo. Value kit designed specifically to reduce the pressure from your hands while using and give you the benefit to type effortlessly and relaxed. ERGONOMIC SPLIT 3D curved keyboard, durable wave and curved full-size keyboard design with 12 multimedia and hotkey functions and an additional 4-way tilt scrolling wheel in the middle. One-piece design that simply separates the keys into two groups for the left and right hand to reduce bending your wrists outward while typing. Slim natural ergonomic design. With its slim design, it comes with curved key top geometry with a naturally arched shape and integrated adjustable palm rest stand that promotes a neutral wrist position, to help prevent carpal tunnel syndrome and RSI. Vertical mouse. Wired ergonomic vertical design wired mouse with 5-button design and adjustable 1000/1600 dpi resolution. Cable length for both keyboard and mouse is 5.9 feet, 1.8 meters. System requirements: Windows 7, 8, 10. Easy installation with plug-and-play feature, no drivers needed. Package includes 1x keyboard, 1x mouse, 1x armrest, 1x movable magnet, for height adjustment, 1x manual, and 12-month limited. Top reviews from the United States. Quiet keys, great ergo purchase. I love the ergonomic angle of the keyboard along with the upright mouse creating that natural angle of the wrist for less shoulder rotation inward. An added bonus that the keyboard buttons are quiet and a little closer together, leaving my smaller, shorter hands less movement around the keyboard as I type.